Update on the June 14th shooting at Splash Pad in Rochester Hills.
In Rochester Hills, 8 people shot and rushed to hospitals in what the Oakland County Sheriff calls a random mass shooting.
Less than a mile away, this mobile home community in Shelby Township was quickly filled with officers looking for the suspected shooter, who is now confirmed dead.
The shooter injured 9 people, 2 of those being in critical condition, one of those being an 8-year-old boy who was shot in the head. His mom is the other person that's in critical condition. And his 4-year-old brother, who sustained a leg wound, is in stable condition. So definitely our thoughts and prayers are going out for not just the 9 that were injured, but for everyone in attendance, as that definitely and undoubtedly was a traumatic and terrifying event. So wishing everyone a speedy recovery and everyone well-being in light of the situation. Stay tuned for any additional updates that may be coming forward.